Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to set app icon badges as dots instead of numbers. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Present notifications. Again scroll down. Here you can see the option of app icon badges. Click on this. If you want to set your app icon badges as dot instead of numbers, you just have to press the dot option. That's it. So this is how to set app icon badges as dots instead of numbers. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.